And welcome everyone, it is John the Net Guy. Today we're taking a look at the tandem wheel change ramp. If you've ever tried to jack up a tandem axle trailer with the equalizer system, you'll know that you'll just lift one wheel and the other one just stays there. In my case, I have a flat rear tire here on the tandem axle, and this unit promises to give me up to 6.5 inches of lift here and make it possible to change a tire with no jack needed. Now this is unique. It comes with a rubber pad, so if you have a slippery surface like I do, you can put that down, put the jack under here just like so, and then you're going to use your tow vehicle to drive up onto the unit. Very similar to some of the other levelers I've shown you in the past, but this is designed to lift only one wheel at a time. Now if it was the back wheel, you'd just back up over it, but in this case, pull forward and pull forward more than you think you might need to. Get it all the way up there. You can see that that equalizer is then defeated, so it lifts the other tire. Now I had some rubber mats here from my old levelers that were still under there. Once I pulled those out, it definitely rotated easier. And then you can change your tire, do whatever you need to. For safety, lock in this red corresponding ramp, and then use your tow vehicle and back down a little bit to put the pressure more even across these two so it doesn't slip out on you. But you'll have access to your tire here, and you can do the tire change, bearings, whatever you need to do on that axle individually. And again, if you want to do it the other way around, just back onto it. Now to take it out, it's pretty easy. Pull forward just a little bit with your tow vehicle so you take the pressure off. Pull the red ramp out first so that you can then back down. And just like that, you have safely been able to change a tire, whether it's the front or the rear, left or right side. This will work in all cases. Now I did have an opportunity to check out their competitor's product. This is the Trailer Aid. It only boasts a 5.5-inch lift, and you'll notice here it actually ends up slipping out when I try to climb up onto it. It doesn't have a rubber pad that they ship with, so this one was actually, I think, a little harder to use. And the other thing is it didn't actually work. It's only 5.5 inches. It wasn't able to get enough lift on my trailer to actually let me do the work that I needed to do. That means the normal product here actually wins in this test, and I'm looking forward to keeping this on the RV just in case I ever need to replace a tire on the road.